An engineer and an expert in HRM, Vice President of Ways and Means Private Limited, an Excel graduate, conducted more than 400 trainings for JCs and visiting faculty for various educational institutes, traveled widely in India and abroad, anchor for Doordarshan and Air. He is none other than JC Sarabjit Singh Quatra. Joined JCI in 1985, Loan President in 1990, ZP Zone 1 in 1994, NP IJC in 2000, an Excel graduate, President of Ways and Means Private Limited, traveled extensively in India and abroad, Executive Member of Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, married to Paramjeet, blessed with a son and 2 daughters. Join hands for JC Mukhinder Singh. Born in 1960, businessman by profession, National EVP IJC in 1997, Chairman NFC IJC, Excel graduate, represented India at International Leadership Academy at Niigata and Yokohama, qualified as Global Networker for International Affairs, conducted trainings at World Congress, traveled abroad extensively, married to Saroj, blessed with 2 daughters, Neha, Megha, and a son, Puneet. Join hands for Honorable JC Raman Nayyar. Ludhiana born, smart and handsome, MCom LLB, served as ZP Zone 1 and honored with outstanding HGF, an Excel graduate, piloted lots, speechcraft, leadership camps and faculty at Prime, traveled to Hong Kong, Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore, Cambodia, UAE, Egypt and Sri Lanka. Industrialist by profession, married to Sweetie, blessed with son Raghav and daughter Sakshi. He is none other than JC Dinesh Kapila. Born in 1963, an MBA having experience of 19 years in advertising and marketing. Joined JCs in 1997, President in 2001 and Zone Governing Board Member in 2002, working as DO with LIC, married to Gitanjali Datta and blessed with 2 daughters, Sumedha and Kalyani. He is JC Varinder Datta. Joined JCI in 1996. Served JCI as Joint Secretary, Vice President, Chapter President, Zone Secretary and Zone Vice President. National Trainer in 2000. Conducted more than 450 programs for schools, colleges, postgraduate students, management trainees, trainers, Lions, Rotarians and computer institutes. CEO of Messrs. Simplex Engineers at Fagwada. He is JC B.S. Virdhi. BTech Chemical Gold Medalist, Managing Director, Unisys Info Solutions Private Limited, Joined JC movement in 1995. Graduated designer in 2006. Head trainer in 2008. Co-pilot for Tesla since 2004. Pilot Speechcraft 2005 and 2010. Co-pilot ZTWS 2009 and 10. Happily married to Jesiret Rupanshi, blessed with a son Praghe and daughter Vashi. Join hands for Pilot Tesla 2010, JC Shailesh Chaudhary.